Merry Christmas! Hope you have a great holiday so far. Hello guys, konnichiwa. Welcome to Unboxing Japan with Ren. I have to say it again, but Merry Christmas and I hope you have a great holiday so far. So also Happy Christmas from Japan as well. Today we have this amazing kit from the Sumikko Gurashi again. If you haven't watched another Sumikko Gurashi video short, I will put the link down below, so make sure to check it out. For today we have this amazing sewing kit DIY, and we have the Santa Claus one and we have the reindeer version one. So I'm thinking that it might not be too hard because it's also written that kids over 6 years old can do this. Well, we're gonna check it out. Let's go! Also, we have more products to unbox coming up. We upload new videos, TikTok, and shorts weekly as well, so make sure to check it out. Your like and subscribe would be very appreciated. So, yoroshiku onegai shimasu! Ooh, yeah. So I have to admit that I actually take 2 days to finish these tubes because I'm not really good with sewing, and this is also like already like quite a long time that I haven't sewed myself. But yeah, I think I did kind of good. I think I might have to practice more, but I think I did pretty well. Okay. So yeah, I mean, how would you rate mine? These two Sumikko Gurashi, please comment down below as well. And also please like and subscribe to ease my pain from sewing this thing. Alright, so until the next video, hope you stay healthy and also have a great holiday. Merry Christmas. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Matani.